IG win. Okay, and we'll first link sequin.com. We'll get to this page, and we'll look on the side here. Install Sigwin. So it tells us we have to run setup. So let's download this. Alright. Yes. Okay. So we're on the setup wizard. So it's quite simple. You just follow the steps. Well, we actually want to download from the internet. All users, yeah, sure. Well, I don't want it to store. Select a directory where you want setup. No, I do not want it to store there. I have no idea why it's doing it there. Let's make a new folder called temp. Okay, that's weird. Alright, yes, direct connection, if you need these, you'll know yourself. Alright, now it's gonna go and download. I like to choose just a random mirror, keep things. Okay, well I can ignore this because this is the first time. Alright, we're on this page. And this page allows us to choose which packages we want to install. And we can get back to this anytime by rerunning the setup. So this isn't final. We can keep installing more packages as we need them. So I just go here and well, and it is. Well, I'd pick Nano. I always like to use this. Just, for the sake of it. It's not that big, so. Well, that's about. Alright, that should be enough anyway, so then we'll click next. And now it's going to start installing. Alright, so it's done, finally. And, well, I don't really want the desktop icon. So let's have a look at this. Yes. Oh, really. Let's try something. ls. No, it didn't work. And that's because we haven't set up the environmental variables yet. So we'll just quickly have a look here. See, I'll show you that we can start it, and they can do it automatically. So we want the bat, and now we can write ls. In here, so they made the root folder the Cgwin folder. And yeah, I'm in C drive now. So yeah, so we get a Unix environment here. Okay, so let's open up CMD again. Now we want it to work just typing ls from the default command prompt. We don't want to have to open the cgwin.bat file every time, even though they gave us a start menu shortcut on the desktop, because, well, we want it to be integrated, so you have both MS-DOS and Unix in one. Okay, so to do this, we're going to have to set up an environmental variable which points the command prompt in the direction of the binary files. Let's see what I'll show you which files. So go to the Segwin folder and here, and we'll look at the root of it. All the binary files which execute are in the bin folder, and that's what the bin's short for. It's short for binary. So, and when I say binary, I mean executable files. I'll go back. Okay, in here we can see all the files, and I'll just show you that I can hit ls even though I'm not in Segwin, and it's because the ls executable lives in here, and I could show you that with just quick grab. And we can see that the ls executable is in here. Okay, so we want to point the command prompt to this directory, which is okay. Well, that's what works. Well, I know the directory anyway. So when to set the environmental variable, we open Start menu, go to My Computer, and right-click and go Properties. From here, we'll go to Advanced System Settings, and in the Advanced tab, we click Environmental Variables. Alright, so we get a little window like this, and we want the user variable part, and we use path. So we edit this. I've already got some paths set up, so if you don't, just type in the path to Segwin bin. But to separate these, you type a semicolon. Alright, so now I can start typing my new one, which is C drive. Whoops. C drive Segwin bin. And if you don't want to type this, just go to the computer and go to the Segwin folder, go to the bin, and then click this so you can get text and copy and paste. Okay, yeah, I might just do that just in case there's an error. Alright, and now we can go OK, 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 and everything should be set up. So I'll open command prompt again, and let's try the magical ls, and there we go. What do you know? It's set up. So let me just test it again. There, we're even getting all that. What other commands can I do? cp dos 7-zip desktop, and let's look at my desktop.